Hey everyone, it's Lucy from KBeautyHobbit.com. Today I have a really exciting unboxing for you. This is a Christmas gift set from a nail company called Danni Toni. Thank you very much, Danni and Toni, for sponsoring this video and for sending this to me. If you followed me for a little while or if you're new to my channel, thank you very much for joining me today. You probably saw that I have a whole playlist for nails. I am a nail sticker fanatic, so I'm always happy to try new brands. This is my very first Danni and Toni experience, but I read up about the company, and it was started by a man while his wife was pregnant because he wanted to find some solutions for her that were more safe and less toxic, and the company is actually named after his two kids, Danni and Toni. These are semi-cured nails made out of real gel, meaning you have to finish curing them at home with a lamp. And you can see the little designs here in the back. And this is their Christmas set. I'll put links to their website down in the description box, but you can also see it right here, dannitoninails.com. The application for this sounds fairly standard. You just prep your nails, buff them, put on the stickers, and cure them under a lamp, and you're done. We'll open a pack at the end here too. Here's the lamp. That's cool that the set comes with one. That's really awesome. You get everything you need all in here. Let's open it. So these are supposed to be non-toxic and non-smelly, which I know is a big selling point for a lot of people who are sensitive to scents. They can even make your natural nail a little more resilient. If you have thin nails, these will kind of strengthen them while you're wearing them, allow you to grow slightly longer nails, and the removal is supposed to be really easy. I will be testing these, of course, so if you follow me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, you will be able to follow the progress of all of that in my stories. What are these? Oh, look how cool that is. Kilt. These might be the first ones I try. Let me know in the comments which one I should try first. Oh, it even comes with scissors. That is cool. Okay. Then we have this other one. These look like Rudolph and gingerbread men. And I think these are stockings. Here's another set of nails with frozen snowflake designed on them. Let me know which one I should try first. These are all really cool designs. I'm probably going to save these ones, the Rudolph looking ones, for actual Christmas, but the plaid and the snowflakes, and then the one over here, the candy canes, tough choices. Let's open one. These are real gel. They're 60% cured for you, so not fully cured, but partially. They last up to 14 days and are waterproof once you put them on, cruelty-free. I personally love using nails as gifts, and I think this is a really cute gift set because you don't have to worry about potentially guessing the size wrong. Come in this light protective envelope. I mean, these would work for just about anybody in your life who is into nails. Wow, this even comes with little scissors. That is so cool. You literally get everything you need. Prep pads, a little stick to push back your cuticles, a nail file. Actually feels really like a decent nail file. You might be able to keep it for more than just this one use. Some of the other kits I've tried before come with like a tiny nail file that is just not very useful, but these all look really cute. And then here are our nails. You get 2 sheets in various sizes, and they come in this light protective envelope because UV light lamps, or even sometimes really extreme sunlight, can actually finish curing them and harden them. So it's important to remember as you're doing it, when you're curing your nails under a lamp, make sure you put all of your spares away. Put them back into that little black envelope, put them back into their box, and set them aside so you don't accidentally cure the rest of them. But it looks like a nice variety of sizes. I have smaller hands. I wear 5.5 ring size, and it looks like a really good variety. Probably the snowflake part is the cuticle side. Yeah, it looks like a nice assortment of sizes and different shapes on each end. So depending on how your cuticle side is, if it's more flat, you can use this side toward the cuticle. If it's more rounded, you can use this side. They feel really nice and solid. Not solid in a sense that they're hard, but in the sense that there's some thickness to them. And I enjoy that because I have ridged nails, and the thicker stickers tend to hide the ridging better. So I think since I opened this kit, this might be the first design that I try once my current manicure grows out. But if you think there's a different one I should try, please let me know. To recap, the gift set had 4 different nail designs. By the looks of it, this is enough probably for 2 manicures depending on your finger sizes. And then you also get the lamp, and the little boxes here even contain scissors and nail file and a cuticle stick and prep pads, so you get everything you need for an at-home manicure all in one box. Looks like a really cute gift. It was nicely packaged. It came quickly from when they shipped it, so I still wouldn't wait. You know how things are this year with deliveries. So if you're in the mood or you need some Christmas gift, I would probably not delay. Just go ahead and get stuff ordered. I'll put all the links in the description box. Thank you so much for joining me today for this little unboxing and a little brand overview. If you've tried these, let me know. I'd love to hear your opinions. You can find me on Instagram at KBeautyHobbit, my blog KBeautyHobbit.com, and in my private Facebook group, Korean Beauty Fanatics. We are at 64,500 members right now, so I'd love for you to join and share your experiences and ask your questions. But thank you so much for joining me today. Hope you're having a wonderful week and a lovely holiday season. Have fun shopping, and of course, don't forget a little bit of self-gifting as well. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, please remember to always listen to your skin. Thank you. Bye-bye.